I'm Brittany with WTI, and if your man needs to have comfort and style, then look no further at these pants.
These men's casual cargo sweatpants by HOTake did not disappoint. It's got the typical 2-slit pockets, but it also has these 2 awesome big storage pockets on each side. This is great for when he's doing his workouts. He can have his workout bands that he can pull out, do his workout, so he doesn't always have to worry about having a place to carry or store it. He can just put it in his pants. He can also store things like his workout gloves, just everything he needs to get his workout done. Because these pants are so lightweight, comfortable, and loose, it really gives him the mobility to do his workouts, to be active. He doesn't have to worry that anything is going to tear or rip or get in the way of him. My husband overheats easily from his legs, so it's important to have something that is breathable, whether he's doing work outside or inside cooking, doing work on the computer, or even relaxing on the couch. They are just such a nice, comfortable, lightweight pair of pants that keep moving with him.
These are the best looking sweatpants I have ever seen. And that's my point of view.